Let's create a He is Risen Easter brunch invite. I'm going to start with a pre-made design, just something that already has a soft, seasonal feel so we're not starting from scratch. First thing, I'll swap out the text to fit the new concept. I want this to still feel like an Easter brunch, so I'm just updating the wording and kind of adjusting it as I go so everything reads nicely. Nothing major, just making sure everything flows well and feels connected. I'm also going to move a few things around just to make the layout feel a little more balanced. Now for the font, I want something a bit thicker, just so it stands out more and feels a little more polished, especially when someone sees it in a listing. Okay, that already looks better. Now I'm going to add some illustrations, just a few soft elements to bring in that Easter feel without making it too busy. This is looking really pretty. I'm just going to tweak the placement a bit, make sure everything feels aligned and not crowded. I feel like it needs something at the bottom. Maybe just a small detail to finish it off and make it feel complete. Now let's play with color a little. I might adjust the text color. Yes, I like that. And then I'll change the background color too, just to tie everything together and give it that soft, cohesive look. And that's it. Super simple changes, but now it feels completely customized and ready to list. If you want to create your own version, just start with a template and make a few intentional tweaks. And if you want more simple design walkthroughs like this, don't forget to subscribe.